Okay, what's a simplified version of Neville Goddard? One, you set an intention, exactly what you want. Be specific. Two, you live in the end. You act as if. Three, you set a bedtime routine. The best time is right, maybe 10 minutes right before you go to sleep, and you go inside your imagination. When you go inside your imagination, you live in the end. You have you have your attention. It's already occurred, it's already happened. And you can see yourself and feel yourself living the lifestyle that you really want inside your imagination. And you go to sleep in that state. That's the whole process of Neville Goddard's teaching, the law of assumption, right there. And it's so powerful. You have to do it. You have to, and the question is, how long have to do it, Chad? The rest of your life. Anytime you set an intention, you go through this process, you don't stop until you got, in reality, your intention, your goal, what you want. Then when you set a new intention, you do the same process. A lot of times, the second time, the third time, the fourth time, it gets easier and easier and easier because you gain more and more confidence. Once you're more confident, once you know that you deserve the lifestyle that you want, you deserve what you want, it becomes quicker and quicker and quicker for you. But let me leave you with this. Let me leave you with what Neville Goddard has said.